QuantumSphere is a leading manufacturer of nano metals and alloys. If you took a 10 nanometer particle, it's about 30 atoms across, and that would be about 1,000 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. Really small materials. Nanotechnology would be like saying we have an electricity company. It's really what are you doing with the electricity that matters. We began 5 years ago, worked with the leading scientists in the industry, and our focus was energy applications. We hired a fuel cell expert, hired a battery expert, hired a hydrogen expert, and we literally take these materials at the micron scale that we buy for dollars per pound, and we convert it into very active, catalytic, conductive, or magnetic, antimicrobial in some cases, materials for the energy devices. For batteries, this is the cathode, the engine inside the car, if you will, for the zinc air battery. So this cathode, this energetic device, includes our manganese, which increases performance 320% in a zinc air battery. It's a button cell battery. Or you can take the material and press it and sinter it into a porous wafer, and you can generate hydrogen through this porous sintered nanomaterials. It's a real simple process. It's fully patented, and we start at the top. We use micron-sized materials, and we feed them into the reactor, into an inert environment. We melt the metal down and liquefy it, condense it. We cool it with helium, and then we collect the particles at the nanomaterials at kilograms per day. So we went from fingernailfuls a day 10 years ago of nanomaterials to kilograms per day, which is a real efficient process. There's no hazardous materials or toxic chemicals. We use electricity and helium. It's that simple. We can take materials with high surface area such as palladium, a very highly active catalyst material, an excellent catalyst in fact for formic acid fuel cell membrane electrode assemblies. Again, the engine inside of the fuel cell, the active ingredient, is real key. And those are potentially providing solutions for real disruptive markets, portable power. So someday we'll be able to charge our laptops and cell phones as needed without batteries, plugs, or wires. There's a big problem out there, energy and water. We need clean energy and clean water. And these materials can help alleviate our dependency on those problems, on unstable foreign supplies, unclean water, but it's not going to happen on our own. We need to be deeply engaged with the large global industry partners that have the distribution and the customers that can get these products to market.